And for the next color, alright, so here's the mechanics of our game. So you have to get one cloth, and then you need to hide. Just hide, okay? Magtatago lang kayo sa ilalim ng tela. Ganun lang kadali. Alright, so ready kids? Hep, hep! Okay, one more time. Hep, hep! Alright, ready! Get set! And pa lang. Go! Come on, in 5! 4, okay. Ate, dito lang sa harap. Ate, dito lang sa harapan. Hindi kasama sa likod. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Akala ko sasama pa kayo eh. Ate. Okay. Margo, I want you to choose a color. Kung anong color yung ma-eliminate or mauupo sa upuan. Now, Margo, just choose one color. Okay, what color is that? Green! So, tingin sa the green one. Upo na kayo. Ganun lang kadali. Alright. Thank you. Okay, so come on, let's have another one. Come on, let's dance! Hey! Come on, let's dance! Hey! Wala pa! Go! Okay na? Okay, Margo? Choose another color. Yeah. Just one. Color! Blue! Okay, kids. Thank you so much for joining. Take a seat. Maraming salamat.
Okay.
Hey, let's go! Go! 5, 4. Okay, meron pa ba? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. What's that? Water, letter M, water.
Galing Jassy ah! Careful pag ikaw doon pag sharp, careful ah.
Yes? Okay, let's hold stand up. Okay, now this time, sino wala pong prize? Lahat kayo meron na? Sige, wala pa iba. Alright, now, text game tayo. Okay, kids, are you familiar with the tongue twister game? Yes or no? No. Alright, so here's the mechanics of our game. So, ang gagawin nila, you have to repeat the word na sasabihin ko. And if you know the word, you just have to say it correctly. Pag mali kayo ng pronunciation, you'll be out. Example, kids, sabihin nyo nga, Coke! Sabay-sabay. Isa-isa. Yoyan. Let's go, buddy. Sit down. Yoyan. Royan. Okay, very good. Okay, next word. Ruler. Oh, sorry. Ruler. Okay, next word. Atlat. Toto ka na atlat, ha? Notebook at aklat. Very good. Notebook at aklat. Notebook doon may putubot sa likod, ha? Notebook at aklat. Sorry. Notebook at aklat. Aklat. Sorry. Okay, medyo ta. Notebook at aklat. Notebook doon may putubot din, ha? Ay, bukay sila mananalo. Okay, let's go. Notebook at aklat. Very good. Notebook at aklat. Very good. Next you, kuya. Pag nakuha nito ng tama, you will receive 500 pesos, okay? Okay, now, last word. Say, bandila. Bandila. 1, 2, 3, go. Bandila. Iwi na magkaiwan. Diba? If you get it correctly, I'll give you 500 pesos. So, ate, I'll start with you. You have to say, bandilang iwinawagayway.
Go, Jazz!
Oh, wagaygay. Oh. Mukhang save yung 500 namin yung mga dito. Oh, ano mananalo? Bandilang iwinawagayway. Oh, inaaway-away. Bandilang iwinawagayway. Inaaway-away din, okay?
Lagi na ganun.
Ayan, so, anyway.
Hayaan na doon.
Pulot ha?
Oo, no.
Ganda yung damit niya. Ganda. Ang sarap sa labas ng ganda ng ano.
Alright, thank you so much. Picture together with Margot. And yes, to complete our 7 gifts of Margot, let's have Ate Ken or Ate Dia.
Happy. Titignan nila. Wala siya.
Marco, that's your gift. When you open it, it's obvious what it is.
Hi,
So,
Hi.
it's a spoon and then for sleep.
Ganun po yung kuya. Ang laki nila. Akala niya. Hindi, matik na siya eh. Oh. may girls pricing. Yes.
What's this?
May basic. Amen.
Gusto mo i-dump ko na lang.
Amen.
Ayun. Ito mo lagay. Okay, waiting for our orders.
Wala pa po. Okay, eat na muna. Mauna na ikaw mag-eat.
Wow.
Where's the ramen?
Wala pa.